Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Exploit Fun. Today we are going to study the equations of the motion derivation with full explanations. So basically there are three equations of the motion. So we will discuss all three equations of the motion and their derivation. So now let's start our first derivation of the equation of the motion. So the first equation of the motion is, so friends, first equation of the motion is v is equals to u plus at. So how we will write this equation of the motion? So it is very simple. See, we will write this equation of the motion from the acceleration formula. So what is the formula of acceleration? Is v is equals to minus u upon t. So where v stands for final velocity, u stands for initial velocity, and t stands for time, and a stands for acceleration. So how we will do? We will just manipulate this one formula where we will send t here, it will do cross multiply, so it will become at is equals to v minus u. We will send this u here by transposition method, and this minus will change into plus sign, so v is equals to u plus at. So this is our derivation of the first equation of the motion. So now let's move to the equation number second. So our second equation of the motion is s is equals to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. So now let's start the derivation of our second equation of the motion. So for the derivation of second equation of motion, we need to take two formula. First formula we have to take of average velocity, that is initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. It is the formula of average velocity. And second formula we have to take of distance traveled. So the formula of distance traveled is what? It is average velocity into time. So we will put the average velocity value here, so we will get s is equals to u plus v upon 2 into t. So now we have to also use the first equation of what? Motion, that is what? It is v is equals to u plus at. So wait, I will tell you the front part. First let me erase it. So we have two things. First of all, we have the distance traveled formula, that is u plus v upon 2 into time, and the first equation of motion, that is v is equals to u plus at. So we will place the v value in the place of this one formula. So we will get s is equals to u plus at upon 2 into t. So we will get the value s is equals to 2u plus at upon 2 into t. So we will divide it. So we will get s is equals to u plus 1 upon 2 at into t. So we will multiply this t with the bracket inside bracket. So we will get ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. So this was the derivation of our second equation of motion. So now let's move to the equation number third. So friends, our third equation of the motion is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. So it is our third equation of the motion, and see how we will derive it. So for the derivation of the third equation of motion, we need the second equation of the motion, and also we need the first equation of the motion. So second equation of motion is s is equals to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square, and first equation of the motion is v is equals to u plus at. So first of all, we will rearrange the first equation of motion. How? See friends, if we will write that v is equals to u plus at, see how we will arrange this. If we will send this u here, then it will be at is equals to v minus u, and if we will send this t here in upon, so t is equals to v minus u upon a. So we rearrange the first equation of motion. Now see how we will derive it. So we will do see, basically what we will do, we will put this t value in the second equation of motion. How? See friend, wait, first let me erase it, then I will explain you clearly. Friends, so second equation of the motion is s is equals to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square, and on rearranging the first equation of motion, we got what? T is equals to v minus u upon a. So we will place this t value here and here. See what we will get. S is equals to u v minus u upon a plus 1 upon 2 a v minus u upon a square. So we will get that, see friends, S is equals to uv minus u, sorry, uu plus minus uv upon a, sorry, u is, we can write also as u square, this we can write as a u square also. And here we will get, we can, first of all we have to put the a square plus, sorry, a plus b ka whole square wali identity we have to put here. So what we will get? We will get a minus b whole square property we will put here. So we will get b square plus u square minus ka 2uv upon 2 a square plus a square, a ka u square is equal to a square. So we will get s is equals to u square minus uv upon a plus this 1 upon 2 we will send inside. So we will get the value a v square plus u square minus 2uv upon 2a square. So wait, I will explain you the remaining. First wait, let me erase my board. So we got s is equals to uv minus u square upon a plus v square plus u square minus 2uv upon 2a square, and here is the a. So now what we will do? So we will put like s is equals to uv minus u square upon a plus this and this. Here we can write this a as a into a. So this a and this a cancel. So we will write v square plus u square minus 2uv upon 2a. So we will take the LCM. So we will get the LCM is equals to 2a. We will write s is equals to, so we will get like this, 2uv minus 2u square plus v square plus u square minus 2uv. So s is equals to what? We can write as 2as, this we will send this side, and this we can write like this, that 2uv and this uv cancel. So we can write that, and this and this cancel. So we will only remain 2v square plus u square. So we will rearrange this one and we will write like this, v square minus equals to u square plus 2as. So this is our third equation of the motion, and this is the derivation of our third equation of the motion. So friends, if you liked my channel, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our videos, and do not forget to press the like button also. So मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.